how to add image on PDF file. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can add the image on PDF. So for this you would require Adobe Acrobat Reader and the snipping tool on the Windows, and after that you just have to open up the Acrobat Reader, then open up your PDF file in it. After that you would be able to find the option of more tools. On the right hand side panel you would be able to find the tools. Simply click on more tools and over there you would be able to find the option of stamp. Simply click on open stamp and then you need to open up your picture that you want to add to your PDF file, and after that you need to use the snipping tool. For that just simply go to your Windows and over there you need to search for snipping tool on the taskbar. Simply search for a snipping tool and you would be able to find it. After that click on it and it would open up. Now you need to select the image and just take the snippet of it and copy the image that we just took the snippet for, and after that you need to open up the PDF again. After that you need to click on the stamp option and it would be shown on the top. You just have to click on a stamp and paste clipboard image option would already be there. Just simply click on it and this way you would have to just place the image according to your needs and preferences, resize it and save the PDF, and this way you would be able to add or insert the image to your PDF file, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.